Good morning, Susim. So today we're going to work a little bit more on our floor plan, okay? And what I'm going to do today, well, I fixed it a little. I thought it was looking a little boring, so let me see. Why can't I get this right? The other way. There we go. Now you can see it. So I added some books over here. Right there, I added some books, and I put a plant on my stool over here, and I put some lamps on my tables. So I put a chair also in front of my little desk. So I did a few things. So today I want to label it. So I'm going to write some things, okay? So I'm going to write table and lamp, bed, actually beds because there are 2 beds in the guest room, and plant. So see, I'm just labeling everything, okay? And then we're gonna count how many rectangles we have. I'm gonna write chair, desk. Oh, and I'm missing my little table next to my desk. I don't know what happened to that. All right, and I'm gonna write shelf and books. And here's another lamp and another table. Wow, that's actually a lot of labels in the end for a pretty empty room. So that's my labels, and now I'm gonna count all these rectangles. Let's see if I can do it in reverse here. So 1, 2, 3. Actually, I'm gonna say that's a square. So 3, and now here 4 and 5, and the chair 6. So I have 6 rectangles. And I'm going to write that down, rectangles. And I'm going to say I have 1 square, which is that little table. Okay. Oops, this way. It's hard to do this in reverse. All right, so that's your work for today, Susim. I'll see you in a little bit.